Hey folks, in this lesson what we're going to be working on is your introduction to true parametric modeling. Now we'll be using Fusion 360, and some of you may already have experience in that, and that's awesome. If you do, you may have even had some of the same tutorials that we use in one of our other classes, which is fine. Just do us a favor and go through it again. We're going to make it part of your assignment anyway. And at least this point in time, it's either going to be a refresher or you're going to be faster at it. The key thing that I want you to take away from this particular lesson is just the tools and the process. We're not worried about you making really impressive things yet, or really complex designs. What we want is the process, so that you are fairly good at sketch, extrude, and another feature after that, and the timeline. Now, just to give you a brief background, there'll be some more information in the lesson. The parametric modeling is designed to be something that changes with time. So instead of me designing a cylinder and turning it into a 3D model and that's it, I design a sketch which will become a cylinder. And if I decide to change information about the size of that cylinder, I don't have to redraw it. I go back in and just change a dimension. That's why we call it parametric. It's designed to be adjusted, features that can be manipulated over time. So when you start doing complex products, like things in cars and aircrafts and computers and even agricultural equipment, there's a lot of things closely connected together. We have a bearing that goes to a shaft that holds on, that is held by a key, and all that stuff interacts with tight tolerances. So we need 3D models that can adjust. So if I change the diameter of one thing, the entire system can update. That's the goal of parametric modeling. It is a living thing that you adjust over time, which is very common. It's also something that we do a lot of collaboration on. So for example, one designer could be over here creating something, and one engineer over here, and then maybe a third person doing some research, and they can all work together on the same file and keep it growing to the final optimized product. Okay? So parametric modeling is designed to be smart and change over time, so you have to be smart in how you create it. You don't try to do a lot of simple, little blocky things to solve a problem. You want to do complex things with dimensions that control it. So that's what we want you to take away from this lesson. It's just the overall concept of parametric modeling, understanding what it's for, but most importantly, we want you good at the process. Design revolves around a sketch, some kind of extrusion, and then another feature after that, sketch, extrusion, sketch, extrusion. All right? And then using that timeline at the bottom to go back and forth in your creation to improve upon it. Now, with that in mind, good luck into the lesson. Let us know if you have any questions. Really take your time going through every step of the tutorials. Really taking your time to go through every feature that we provide, because this is going to be something we're going to use throughout the entire class. So you need an extremely good foundation on it right here in this lesson, and then we'll build as we go. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you.